Hello guys, Blue Rubik King back, and today I'll be teaching you how to solve the Rubik's 2x2. Now, in my last video, I started off with a 3x3. I'm not going to teach you how to solve the 1x1 because that's kind of self-explanatory. But let's get started. So, the Rubik's 2x2 isn't that difficult to solve. It's just you don't use all the steps that you use in a 3x3. So, to get started, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve the white side. Now, since there's no center, you start with this piece. That's just the way I start with. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the other red, which is right here, which lines up with that, bring it up. So now the red side is lined up with the white and the white side. And then this is a blue piece, but it's upside down. So I'm going to do what I do in the Rubik's Cube. I'm going to bring it over. And then I'm going to bring it down, like that. And then this is the last one. Okay, now that we have the white side, you should have followed step and matched up all the colors in the first row as well. I'm going to flip it over. And this is probably one of the better cases you can have with nothing on the top for yellow, which is 2 here, 1, and 1. And in this case, you're going to want to keep the 2 on this side. You do this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you're going to have 1 on top. And what you're going to want to do is find this piece. This yellow piece. If it's right here, you want to have that in the front. But you always want to have this towards you in either one of these two places. But whichever piece has this yellow piece facing towards you is what you want to do. If it's right here, you're going to start like this. You're going to do what I'm about to do, but backwards. So, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Okay, now if you had it on this spot, you would have done L, U prime, sorry, L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L, U2. Oh. Now, that just brought me back to this, so I'm going to do this really quick. And now, you have the yellow side completed. You're going to want to try and find the side that has all of it solved, of the colors, except for yellow. And you're going to want to put that on the back. So orange is on the back here. Now, notice the white is still on the bottom, yellow is on the top. I'm going to do this. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2 again, R2, and then you should have this. You just need to turn it into place. Okay, so another scenario you could have with the yellow is these two. You're going to want to find the two that are here and have one of them facing towards you. You're going to do this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And then you're going to end up with this. And what you're going to do is F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now make sure that when you have those two, they're on the left side. Now, as you can see, you have another scenario for when you're about to finish solving it. You're going to want to put one of these solved corners in the back left, and then do this. R prime, F, R prime, D2, R, F prime, R prime, D2, R2, and then you're going to get this with the solved side. And you're going to do that again. And there you go. Thank you for watching my video on how to solve the 2x2. Please go back and watch how to solve the 3x3. I will will show you how to solve the 4x4 and 5x5 in the future. Until then, Blue Rubik King out.